Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. So what is the right rope length for your height? I've been jumping for the last 3-4 years and I've arrived at a formula which works perfectly well. The formula is this. Please take a pen and paper. What is your height in centimeters? Let me take my example. 183 centimeters is my height divided by your weight. I'm around 90. So 183 divided by 90, we get 2. Multiplied by your age. I am 49. So 2 into 49, 98. We are talking about 98 inches. Converted to feet, divide by 12. So we get 8.3 feet. So for a 6 feet guy, 49 years old, weighing about 90 kilos, the right rope length is about 8.3 feet. I hope you wrote it down.
What did you say? What did you say?
Stop. I was just joking, friends. There's a lot of advice out there on the right rope length for your height. I'm sure each of those advices are right, but as a beginner, I wanted to share my personal experience. When I started jumping, I went with a long rope, which is typically 9 feet long. And with more jumping, your form improves and you kind of keep shortening the rope by tying knots like this, or you can cut away the excess rope with the scissors. So what I wanted to say is, the only person who will know the right rope length for your height is you. You will have to try, shorten the rope, lengthen the rope, and I'm sure you will find the sweet spot. I hope you liked the video. In case you liked it, leave it in the comment. In case you don't like it, do leave your feedback also in the comment. Feel free. Have a good day. Enjoy your jumps. Bye-bye.